Well, congratulations, you've made it to the end of this training course, and I hope you are satisfied with the game you have so far, and of course I hope you continue on it and improve the game from here. Now, I've exported the city for you, and in the project files you can find a folder called finished game, and if you open up the scene file in that, you will see the level, and you can zoom in. Of course, our turret is here and our characters are here, as well as the grenade boxes. So from here you can continue on and improve the city. I've exported it at low settings to make sure that the file sizes didn't get ridiculously huge, so don't expect too much details on the buildings. However, if you want to generate your own, you can use the trial version of City Engine on procedural.com to generate your own level. Now, in this course we have covered a broad range of subjects. We have covered how to do special effects, we've covered terrain sculpting, scripting, the basics of 3D, so quite a lot. Now, if you continue on with your work, then I would love to know it and hear about it and see what you've done. So make sure you check out the About the Author video so that I can give you a couple of methods to stay in touch and maybe get you some more training or videos on using the Unity 3D engine to make games. So I've thoroughly enjoyed making this series, and I hope to do many more.